Hello, this is CRM Science, and the topic of this video is based on a Health Cloud use case. After watching this video, you'll have a better understanding how Health Cloud can be used to manage patient records, verification of benefits, and test results. This use case is based on the following criteria: a need to track businesses, employers, healthcare providers, insurers, etc., that can refer individuals for testing. Individuals that have been referred by these businesses, and then the patient records that are associated with the individuals, tracking VOBs, that is verification of benefits, and finally, tracking test results. To start, I want to just show a demo of the home page, which is comprised of a dashboard that can be built to track patients by referrals, patients by insurance providers, your open cases, new lab tests, lab status, and verification of benefits. You can also see that when you log in, you would be able to see your tasks that are set for today. So I want to demo a business account. As you know, Salesforce has several types of account records. We've set this up so that there are business accounts and person accounts. This is a business account that is a potential referral source for individuals that may become patients for testing. As you can see here, we do have some referred accounts already with Mary Smith and Stuart Longley. The details of the business account are captured here. So all the information that we need about this business can be captured here. I've already set up a person that's been referred by this business account, Mary Smith. So Mary Smith is a person account, and the details on her record are captured here. So here's her referral account, here's where she came from, and some very basic information about Mary Smith. Now, to create a patient record, we would go to the related list and click New on the patient record. I'm going to just type in Mary Smith's name and save the record. You're going to see now that an EHR patient record has been created from Mary Smith. And also, her referral account has been transferred, plus her address information, all coming from the person account record. Now I'm going to close this out because I already have a patient account record created for Mary Smith. And we're going to talk a little bit more about what's on this patient record. So on this patient record for Mary Smith, we have a patient card, and this is based on information coming from Mary Smith person account record. We have the details about Mary Smith. She has an EHR patient ID, and she also has a medical record number. So this number can be used to track within Salesforce, or you can be connected to a back-end EMR system. Birth date, gender code, marital status. It tells you the account that Mary Smith came from as a patient. And then we can capture Mary Smith's insurance information. So her insurance provider, her policy number, her group ID, and the insured name. Now, once you have the patient card all set up, you need to do a verification of benefits. So when I click New, and I want to do a verification of benefits, because we have a process builder in the background, I'm going to just say what the status is and change it to in progress. I'm going to save the record, and you're going to see that the provider name, based on the information on the patient record, the policy number, the group ID, and the insured name are all captured on the verification of benefits. So I want to just close this out and go to this record, which is one that had already been created, and this had already been approved. So with the verification of benefits, as with all things Salesforce, you can update the status values to reflect your business use case. We're using in progress, approved, and not approved. So Mary Smith's benefits were approved for the testing, and we've updated this information. Now, if I go back to Mary Smith's patient record, you're also going to see that we have lab tests. So what we want to be able to do is track lab test results on the patient record. Again, we can create a new lab test right from this patient record. I already have one created, and here you're going to see the lab test. So again, you're going to have the test name, who the patient is, the authorization code that you received when the verification of benefits was approved, the patient name, which is attached to my patient record, the sample ID, the sample drawn date and time, who drew the sample, and the lab results status. You can also capture the test results. Now with the lab test, you can have this integrated with a back-end system if you're tracking lab test results in a back-end system, or you can track them right within Salesforce. You can also, if we look at lab tests, be able to see the lab tests in a Kanban view. So if you're managing your lab tests within Salesforce, you can easily update the information as to the progress of the lab testing and move them to testing from test in progress to testing complete. It's as simple as that. Thank you and have a great day.